What is the geography of Cape Clear Island? Have you ever wondered what makes Cape Clear Island so special in the context of Irish landscapes? This small island is a gem located off the southwest coast of County Cork in Ireland. It holds the title of the southernmost inhabited part of Ireland, which adds to its charm and appeal for travelers. Cape Clear Island is part of a group of islands known as Carbery's 100 Isles, situated in Roaring Water Bay. The island covers an area of approximately 6.7 square kilometers. It stretches about 5.2 kilometers in length and has a width of around 2.4 kilometers. One of the most notable features of Cape Clear Island is its highest point, Noisen and Seabheag, which rises to an elevation of 160 meters above sea level. This peak offers stunning views of the surrounding waters and islands, making it a popular spot for hikers and nature lovers. The island is divided into two halves by a narrow isthmus called the Waste. This unique geographical feature creates two distinct harbors. The North Harbor is primarily used for ferry services connecting to nearby towns like Shull and Baltimore. On the other hand, the South Harbor is a favorite among yachts and pleasure boats, especially during the summer months when visitors flock to the island. Cape Clear Island is also a Gaeltacht area, meaning it is an Irish-speaking region. This adds a rich cultural layer to the island, attracting those interested in the Irish language and heritage. The small population and remote setting make it an ideal destination for anyone looking for a peaceful escape. Traveling to Cape Clear Island offers a chance to experience Ireland's rugged coastlines and its unique cultural heritage. The island's natural beauty, combined with its historical significance, makes it a must-visit for anyone interested in the diverse islands of Ireland. Whether you are hiking to the highest point or enjoying the views from the harbors, Cape Clear Island is sure to leave a lasting impression.